This is the one thing no one tells you about Vault Hunters that is really, really annoying. Blue ice. You thought that the poisonous potatoes were annoying. Well no, blue ice, it's much worse. Because if I type up ice, you get 168, okay? Craft this up into packed ice. Gives me 19. Can't even craft properly. Craft this up into blue ice. 2. Throw that in. Yeah, you were now 149. Whoop-de-doo-de-doo. So behind here, we've got blast chillers. Many blast chillers. I've had to, from up here, take away the blast chiller here, steal the power from these 3, so we can get some blast chillers, because I'm soft-locked. You think, oh look at all this, we've got so much. Well, actually, we don't have a lot of energy distributors. Energy distributors? How do I see it? Energy distributor costs a distributor module, which costs a block of diamonds. We only have 2 diamonds. So, most of them have the stuff, but I'm saying most of them. This group here. The rest of them just have some mufflers and energy. See, like that. Don't even have 2 of these thermal generators. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here for another while, and I'm debating. So do we try and do a big run to get diamonds, or ignore this problem completely and go for, if I open up the unique codex, yeah, rose thorn ivy. Try and grab one of these guys. We do have one, but look at them. It's such a bad roll. Same with the prefix, same with the repairs. The suffixes are decent, but the rest is just terrible. So I've got up here loads of X marks room for the brazier, just waiting for that crystal, which means we're waiting for 149 blue ice. As you can see, I am doing a massive mine room, completely crashing the game. We have got like 8 stacks of plentiful on this. You can see it down the bottom right. So I'm gonna try and collect as much of the stuff as we can, including as much ruins as we can, so we get an omega crate with millions of like rewards. The easiest boss I believe is a spider, which we have got here. So yeah, just like move away from it, long range attacks, and it's absolutely free. I've just realised, why didn't I build up? I've been too busy talking. And the one problem, the reason that I am talking right now is because your hammer, it's looking worse for wear. So we might have a dead hammer by the end of this world, which would be very bad. Oh, so close to the end. But no, dead. I guess we can grab a couple of things with this pickaxe. But that's it. That's a shame. And I would say that's not too shabby. Look at that. And this guy. First off, why don't we open these cards? Move these all up. And get the cards out. Oh, lucky hit, attack, mana. I'm gonna take lucky hit because I want that from that next build. you out with all these beautiful stuff. Wait a sec, look how much of these. That is actually incredible. Hundreds. How much do we have? Okay, a couple hundred here. But our lowest is like, what, 340? And we've got, which one is that? Tubium, 160. That's great. And loads of Benny. Too much Benny, indeed. Same with Black Opal. Lots of Echo. How much Echo do we actually have? 126. That is great. But it's not as great as this. Man, if we want mana regen as opposed to mana. That is. Ooh. I much prefer that chest plate. That kind of hurts actually to do that. This guy, look at this. 109 mana regen. That's great. See if we... cooldown reduction would be nice to have. But why don't we... what can we do? We forge prefixes. Spirit Totem. We don't want mana. We want that, except much better. It's quite low though. Let's get that, and plus it's good. 21, that's terrible. 43, okay, there we go. Yeah, we can start tinkering around with the prefixes then. This, it really wants to give me resistance. Cry. Scatter jump, effect avoidance. 1 mana. Let's go just 3 armor and then 13% is quite bad. But if we put this on, what do we get? Ability powers 337, 35. 35. 43 and 36. And then 13. And okay, that is actually much better. And then mana regen 462. 95. That's great actually. Okay, so that's good. You can go down here with all the other fallen comrades. But that doesn't mean we can get a new one. What does it cost though? This could be scary. Wrong one. Wrong one. Okay. Going. Or do we wait 1 level? Can we afford to wait 1 level? I think we can afford. Yeah, let's wait. We throw you in here. Already any capacity left. So I'm gonna grab this crystal. Craft you up. You'll be crafted. I really don't care. You just keep going. Okay. Right. Preparations. What do we need before we go in? Remember, I don't know if I've even prefaced this. We are trying to get Thorn. It's also good living. Everything is living now, which is beautiful. So that means it levels up with you. So if we get a really good sword. Wow, these are quite close by. Okay. So if we get like really cool shield, then we can keep it for a whole lot of time. Where's the last one? Every time I go to get the last one, you guys just spawn in. Come on. Wait a minute, please. Please just go. No, because you're gonna do this stupid thing where you wait. That took forever. Okay, please see we get it in the first room. Right, first room down. Nothing. There we go, nice. Okay, do we get the level up? No. Whoa. But absolutely nothing. And obviously, since we didn't find it, we need to go again. Another 10 odd X mark rooms. And after that, do you know what we did? We went back in the vault and did another bunch of them. Yeah, it's getting really tiring at this rate. A lot of resources have been like used here. But look on the bright side, we got another Excalibur. Yay. Then found some crash guards in this room. So yeah, I guess they're good. I don't think I'll ever use them. But this fight was fun. Just froze him a lot of the time and then had to run around the place, dodging and weaving. Eventually went down. And you can see the crash guards are up there. The crash guards themselves, armor is mediocre, mana is terrible. The next armor is terrible. Resistance is decent. Knockback resistance is quite good. There's the kinetic damage immunity, so you can like fly with a light, try and ignore everything else. The Excalibur, yes, it does have living. It's 1 repair, low Jura, and overall all the rest of the stats are way too low. So now that we're out of X mark rooms, we need to find inscriptions. So let's do 7 mushrooms with loads of catalysts. Hopefully, like elixir been put on it, so hopefully it goes well. I've Loot Goblin. Loot Goblin doubles rarity and triples how much you get. So hopefully there's quite a lot of inscriptions. I feel like the best part of this is just how satisfying it is, getting all these chests together. And mining them all just like that. Really cool. Now, how many chests do you think that was? 400 maybe? That's probably too much. Probably way too much. Speaking of living, remember. 436. 436. Ooh, Door Hunter. And 76% mana regen. Now, effect duration, attack damage. Okay, this one's actually quite good. 4, 5, 7. A lot of this rubbish. Wow. 139. Not even a stack of mystery eggs. That's quite sad. That's 35 knowledge stars. Wow. 35. Plus these 18. Four 90. We were like 100 knowledge points. I think it's time for Kuchuvium. Yeah. Oh wow. That took so many of these rooms. It's gonna be terrible, isn't it? Oh, it's gonna be terrible. This is the main event though. Dang. Oh, we've got a legendary with living. So that's always great to get. Okay, what are you? Lucky Cry. Okay. Lucky Cat Cry might actually be really good. It's bonus lucky hits for a duration of time. And the rose thorn ivy is lucky hits stuff. So that chest plate could be really good. What about you? Mana regen, okay, this is incredible. Let's grab the other one. Okay. 1 repair. 31 as opposed to 25, which is good. 25, 28, 25, 27, 5, and 9. Okay, it is absolutely terrible. There we go. Oh. Okay, and we level up. There we go. Artifact, nice. Okay, now how expensive will these be? Level 90 items. Omega Pog. Oh, and 1000 bronze. How much does an echoing ingot cost? Oh, that's a lot. That is a whole lot. Hopefully they'll last, like, forever, though. 6, 7, 8, 9. This is gonna kill us. This is gonna be so much. Oh. Are we sure it's an Omega Pog? Just wanna check. It's an Omega Pog, right? It's an Omega Pog. Okay. Oh. We're down to 0 now. I don't know how much we had. Okay, we're just over a stack, actually. Okay. 62. Okay. We still need more topium then. 6. Now we need to get more gorgonite and topium. Best way to do that is these. God, what these rooms are called? But you get loads of stuff. They're quite good for these types of ores. There's some gorgonite, and there's some topium hidden behind this one. And I should have enough topium here. Yep, 7. We don't even need 7. And throw all 9 of these 8s in to get. There we go. 9 Omega Pogs. And now we can craft this. It really hurts to craft it, but hey. Keen-eyed viewers might notice those chests now behind me are larger than normal chests. Yes, we bit the bullet, and I got colossal chests. Yeah, colossal chests. Because I believe that having jewels in like a refined storage, that might corrupt data. I've heard. I don't know if that's true or not. Might be wrong. But hey, rather safe than sorry. I've thrown all of the jewels in these 2 large chests. They can hold 300 odd items. And what I'm doing right now is just running back and forth, opening all of these using the identification stand, because we're level 90. We don't need all of these small weak ones. We want perfect jewels all the time. There's no point having a 2% copiously when you can get a 6% copiously. Obviously 6% is much rarer, but those are the ones we are wanting. So yeah, just running back and forth hoping for those large numbers. And above the refined storage system here, you should be able to see a furnace. It's I don't think it's called a furnace. It's called something like that. But it's netherite tier, which means it's super fast. I've got modular routers throwing wooden chunks in there so it can just keep fueling it instead of having other fuel ways. And this is our hammer. We've got hammering, picking, axing, shoveling, nearly 100 copious. Great. 7 reach, mining speed's 80. It's soulbound, loads of Jura, loads more hammer size, and Hydro Void. The rest of the stuff are just from other jewels applied on that we don't really care about. Right, now that we've got this new hammer, we can go back to getting gear. This crystal highlights all treasure doors. I've also got a bunch of treasure keys. If I show you the key right here, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14 keys. So that's a whole bunch of doors we can open. I'm actually surprised at that. We got through 14 rooms there. That's a whole lot more than I thought. We've only got the one, actually nothing on that treasure key ring, but one Ashim key left. We've got all the other keys done, which means we've got all of these, including the one unique. So this could be incredible, and we've also got 2 Omega. You know, I probably shouldn't have got just the chest plates for Omega. No. Here. Okay. So, what do we have here? We have increased ability power. I want mana regen. Increased effect duration, nope. Trap disarm, nope. Attack damage, I'm going to put that in the middle because it might be good. Disarm, no. Resistance, no. Attack damage is in the middle. Effect avoid, no, run. Effect avoid. Why are the 2 good chest plates terrible? Effect duration. Effect avoidance. I don't want mana. Don't want health. I don't care about knockback resistance. I don't care about stuff. 11 challenge stacks. And we get 10. Yep, that what, 30% chance? 20% chance. I don't think the 20% chance really worked there. But 2 off. But fine. It's definitely funny how that texture's not in the game right now. So it just looks like a massive cube he's throwing around. Oh. Okay, hold. Everyone hold. I want to deal with you guys right now. I want to deal with you. Problem is they're all bad rarity. Not just rares or commons. One is some epics and omegas, at least. Oh. So how? Oh wait, actually, yeah, I've filled it completely. Oh, I'm glad I had help there. Oh. Okay, so these ones, I know they're all legendaries. They seem really good. I don't know why this hurts, because it's not really that bad. I'll keep these ones because I might use resistance. But see the rest of them? As much as it hurts, we don't need any of them. Okay, sort this. Legendary Poison Cloud. I don't care about either of them. Mana Regen, hello? 12 armor. Yeah, no. Hard Frag, I don't think that's that good. What about these guys? Knockback resistance. Cooldown reduction, nope. Knockback resistance isn't that good. Knockback resistance isn't that good. 10 chaining, ooh. What about this? Ability power, okay. Eh. Healing efficiency, meh. Let's craft this one. Only 7 challenge stacks, okay. Oh, okay, back. We only have 300 seconds. Oh, come on. I like seeing swords. Wow, look how many there is. Oh, wait a second. Wait 1 wee second. Huh. We've got quite a bit. I don't know if that's good. What are the omegas? You do have a lot of repair and crafting potential, so I'll keep you over this side. Okay, 2 defrost nova, interesting. Oof. So 9 challenge stacks, what does this go down to? 8. That's terrible. Okay. Let me just go AFK then. Is it AFK if I'm just sitting here though? I mean, really think about that. AFK is away from keyboard, but I'm sitting here. I'm keeping my eyes glued. But who knows? Okay, go. The annoying thing is I'm seeing a lot of blue and some yellows. Okay, yeah, there's all the blues, the yellows, greys. Where's all the purples? Where's all the greens? I don't know if that's a feature or a bug, but I just love it that those armor stats have the thing above their heads. The ethereal thingamajiggy. Okay, let's just go around to the next one then. This is the one problem. No. Oh, come on. I get 160 though. Oh. It costs so much. Oh. Did we even fill? Okay. No, we did fill. We filled 2 of them. And for these guys, attack damage on the trousers. You've got item rarity. You know what? It's an interesting one, so I'll keep it. Effect avoidance, healing cloud, and then +1 to fireball. Why not? a better way of doing this is going over here, going to this place, and saving. Go to the basic one and load that. So we go here, and I've got 87 points. 87 points. And that's where I think I might leave it for today. Leave you in suspense. We've got a lucky hit build coming up, which I may have already started, but that's why we're in F1 mode. So you don't see this guy. But that's where we're going to leave it. You can see that. Oh, did I break something? I broke something, yep. We can leave it with a hammer. That's a really cool hammer. They got the rainbow glint on it. That's like the main thing we did today. We got a hammer. We got started on this new build. Like all the gear and that. Haven't got it all fixed yet, but that'll come next episode. But before you go, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay up to date with all the future videos. Goodbye for now.